welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Girls World. Today I'm gonna make chicken chorizo, black beans, and rice. So it's just basically a one-pan saute. You can do it in one pan. I'm probably gonna do it in two because I have a bunch of ingredients to cook up. If you would like to see me make chicken with chorizo and black beans and rice, please keep watching. Okay, so these are the ingredients for chicken and chorizo. 3 pounds of chicken, 2 onions, 2 cloves of garlic, and a jalapeno chopped up. This is oregano and cumin and olive oil that I'm gonna put on the chicken as flavoring. And then this is a pound of chorizo sausage that I get in the meat section at the grocery store. Okay, so now we're gonna cook this up. Have your pan on medium-high heat, adjusting it as needed. Cook your chicken with cumin, oregano, olive oil, and a teaspoon of salt. And just continue cooking both of these things until they're done. I break up the chorizo just like you would hamburger meat. Here's my rice and black beans, and then I'm gonna add my pepper, jalapeno, onion, and garlic to my chorizo and let it cook in and get all that flavoring from the chorizo. And my chicken's almost done. I decided to add some tomatoes, so you can add a can of diced tomatoes, and then I'm just gonna put the chicken and chorizo together. Okay, so I just added everything together, and I'm just gonna cook it until the peppers are done. And it tastes really good. It tastes real spicy and chorizo-y. And I'm just heating up my beans and rice. And then I will put it all together and we'll have some food. Okay, so I'm all done. So let's have a bite. It's got a kick. And I only put 1 jalapeno in it. So if you don't want it to be spicy, just leave the jalapeno out. It'll still have a ton of flavor. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. It's a really good, fast meal for like a weeknight or when you're working. If you want to see more videos like this, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.